This is the place related to comics. All the things from the cartoon, comic books, and everything. You know, the toys, the pictures, the cars, and the models. But I tend to come here to find out if there are sports cars. But I think in the future I can look it up. But before that, all of this seems meaningless to me because I didn't know if it's worth it right now. So, you see? So, before you get into a business or you want to find some business opportunities, you first need to do research, like Gary Vee said. And then you also need to know how to market it, how to sell the products that you find. So impressed, right? That's the common area. It's called Comic Star City. I don't know if I translated well, but that's the meaning. Comic Star City. Costumes, see? That's the place around here. Yeah, I should get down. It changed a lot. Different from when I was a child. And I'm here, and it just everything has changed. Stuff like that. There's a lot of things right here. Take a look. That's my journey today. I went to open a banner crowd, and then I think maybe I should just go here because I have already gone out. So why not just, and this place is just 6 stations, metro station away. That's why I come here. That's it. See ya.